Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your device and Android version so you pick the right path. Once done, make sure the phone has enough battery and you can unlock it. Now open Settings and go straight to Accessibility. That's where Android places assistive features. You're doing this because accessibility centralizes touch aids, gestures, and shortcuts. Keep Settings open. The next step is to locate the specific accessibility shortcut or interaction controls where touch assistance lives. Next, locate interaction controls or the accessibility menu entry. Different manufacturers label it differently. Turn the accessibility menu or assistant toggle on and accept the permission dialogues that request overlay and input access. Then customize the on-screen button. Choose actions like Home, Back, Notifications, and Quick Settings. Make sure to set a convenient shortcut, triple tap, or a hardware button to summon the menu quickly. This customization speeds repeated access and avoids accidental activation while you work. Finally, test the assistive touch by invoking your chosen shortcut and tapping Home, Back, or other controls. Pin or reposition the floating button so it doesn't block important content. You can usually drag it anywhere on screen. If a function doesn't respond, make sure overlay and accessibility permissions remain enabled, then restart settings or reboot the device to refresh services. If problems persist, disable and re-enable the accessibility menu. That often resets the assistant without losing your custom button layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.